Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1065 tax return. First, determine if your business is indeed required to file this specific form, as partnerships have unique obligations. Next, meticulously gather all financial statements, including income and expense records, and any other relevant tax documents like Form 1099s. Finally, familiarize yourself with the main parts of the form to ensure a smooth and accurate preparation process. Now, let's dive into the form itself. You'll need to complete a Schedule K1 for each partner, detailing their share of income, deductions, and credits. Accurately report all partnership income, including gross receipts and other income, along with all allowable deductions and any applicable tax credits. Remember to attach all necessary supporting forms and schedules, such as Schedule L for the balance sheet. Before submitting, meticulously review every entry on Form 1065 and all attached schedules for accuracy. Even small errors can lead to delays or penalties. Confirm that all required schedules, like Schedule M1 and M2, are properly attached and completed. Finally, decide whether you will e-file your return, which is often the quickest method, or mail a paper copy to the IRS. To avoid penalties, ensure your Form 1065 is filed by the deadline, typically March 15th for calendar year partnerships. If needed, you can file for an extension, which usually grants an additional 6 months. Always maintain detailed and organized records for at least 3 years, as these are crucial for any potential audits or future reference. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.